Hi you guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make Nacho Mama's banana pudding pie. This is actually from Paula Deen'a's cookbook from about 10 to 15 years ago before she was canceled. My mom has been making this for over a century now, and it is so delicious, so cost efficient, and it is one of the easiest recipes you will find online today for the holiday time. And the great part is it's under $15, so keep on watching. The first step is to start peeling your bananas, and think of the bananas as the meat of the banana pudding pie. You can say it's going to give it a nice heartiness when you bite down into it. It's a nice texture, and it's going to give it a load of flavor. So you want to make sure you have nice ripe bananas right from the get-go. And then you're going to start slicing your bananas, as you can see me doing. They don't have to be perfect by any means, but you want to slice all of them and then set them aside for the next step. You want to continue on by adding your Pepperidge Farm Chessman piece cookies to the bottom of your 13x9 cooking pan tray, and you can find these cookies at any of your local grocery stores. They usually have regular chess pieces on them. However, every year for their holiday collection, they release them with the Christmas decal on them, which are super festive and super cute for the holiday season. Now this next step is probably the most tedious step if you're using a hand whisk, because you're going to want to mix your cream cheese, which is clumpy, your whipped cream, which is also thick, and then your condensed milk in a mixing bowl all together. And it's going to take about 5 to 10 minutes if you're using a handheld whisk. Now if you're using a power mixer, it's going to take you about 2 to 3 minutes. Super short, super simple, but you just want to go until you get all the lumps and bumps out of the mixture. The next step is to take your Jell-O mixture and your 2 cups of milk. You're going to mix them together for about a minute or two until you see all the lumps and bumps gone. This next step is super easy. You're just going to take your cream cheese, condensed milk, and whipped cream mixture that you just did, and you're going to add that with the Jell-O mixture and the 2 cups of milk, and you're going to add them and just mix them again for about 5 to 10 minutes until all the lumps and bumps are out of the mixture. Once you get that done, you want to take your bananas that you sliced earlier and you want to proportionize them to the baking sheet so all the cookies are evenly coated with the bananas. Once you get your bananas evenly layered over the Pepperidge Farm cookies, you're going to take your pudding filling and you're going to start layering it over the bananas. This is the most satisfying step to me. I love watching it just fold over and form. You're going to take a spatula and just fold over and make sure every crease and every corner is covered. And then you're going to take your Pepperidge Farm cookies and start lining the top of the pudding mixture just like you did with the bottom. There you have it, Nacho Mama's banana pudding pie. This was easy to make, under 20 minutes, less than $15. This will feed your whole family, great for the holidays, all year round, honestly. And I'm just going to leave a couple clips of people trying it for the first time. Okay, this is Annetta eating that banana cream pie for the first time. Does it make you want to slap your mama?
This is delicious, Marvin.
On a scale from 1 to slap your mama. Slap the thing. Trying the Nacho Mama's banana pudding pie for the first time. On a scale of 1 to smack your mama.
Smack your mama. So good.
Thank you.